Hi, 皆さん、こんにちは。Joy です。Welcome back. I'm here to share a new series focusing on Hiragana. If you've enjoyed my katakana practice series, I hope you'll find this one useful for your studies as well. This series is made for anyone who wants to practice Hiragana in a simple, low-pressure way. We'll focus on using the characters through repetition, listening, and mini quizzes. Nothing overwhelming. If you've been looking for a place to finally start practicing Hiragana, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Before we start our reps, here are a few reasons why practicing Hiragana is such a powerful step in your Japanese journey. Hiragana is the foundation of reading and writing Japanese. It helps you pronounce words the way they're meant to sound. It trains your brain to think in Japanese sounds instead of English ones. And it lets you start using real Japanese resources much earlier than you might expect. So get comfortable, grab something to take notes with, and let's get started. Today, we're working with the first 5 characters, the vowels. We're going to get familiar with the vowel sounds and their shapes. Listen carefully, look at each character, and repeat with me if you're comfortable. A, I, u, e, o. Here's what they look like side by side. Let's go through them one more time together and then move on to the quiz. A, I, u, e, o. A, I, u, e, o. For this quiz, I'll show you a character, take a moment to think, and then I'll reveal the answer. What sound is this? Correct. This letter is e. What sound is this? That's right. This letter is pronounced a. What sound is this? Good. This letter is pronounced o. What sound is this? Good job. This one is pronounced I. What sound is this? Awesome. This one is pronounced u. For this quiz, I'll say a sound and you choose the correct character from the options on the screen. I. 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 O. 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 E. 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 Good job. For the final quiz, let's test your reading. These are real Japanese words, so you're practicing something meaningful. How do you say this word? This reads as ie. How do you say this word? This reads as ue. How do you say this word? This reads as ao. How do you say this word? This reads as oi. Nice work. Before we cool down, let's do a quick flashcard round. I'll show you each character for just a moment. Say the sound as soon as you see it. Great work today. You learned the 5 Japanese vowel characters. Practice recognizing them, listened for their sounds, read real words, and reviewed them with some light repetition. Keep coming back to these characters whenever you can. A little practice goes a long way. Next up, let's practice the K row. Stay curious, keep practicing, and until next time. またね! Bye bye!